Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you are new over here, then most welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to talk about very important topics and tips. If you are a beginner and you also afraid to speak English in publicly, so this video is for you. Today I want to share my real English journey. This is my story, my English day 1 and now. If you feel scared of English, if you feel shy to speak, so this video is for you. Please watch till the end. My English day 1. One day one my English was very weak. I could understand little English but I could not speak. When someone spoke in English in front of me, my mind stopped working. I felt nervous. My hands started shaking. In school, my English was the very biggest fear. Teacher asked question in English and I looked down. I did not want to speak. I knew some words but I did not know how to make sentence. I always thought in Hindi first when I tried to translate into Hindi. Because of this, I spoke very slowly. Many times I stay silent. People laugh when I made mistake. That hurts me. I felt English is not for me. I believe one thing: English is only for the smart people, and that was my biggest mistake. My first problem that I have faced, one day one I had many problem: fear of speaking, fear of mistake, fear of people, no confidence, no practice. I learned grammar rules, but I never used English in real life. I waited for the perfect time to speak English, but that time never come. Turning my point in my life. One day I asked myself question: if I don't speak English now, then when I will speak? That day I decide something very important. I decide to speak English daily. I decide to accept mistakes. I decide to being afraid. I understood one truth: English is a skill, not a talent. Anyone can learn it with practice. What I changed in my life? I did not change everything in one day. I changed small things. First, I start listening in English daily. Simple English, slow English. I did not try to understand every word. I just listen. Then I start speaking alone. Yes, alone. I spoke in front of the mirror. I spoke while walking. I spoke while doing daily work. Simple sentence like I am learning English. I am not perfect. I am improving every day. Slowly, my fear started reducing. Biggest changing in me, thinking in English. The biggest change of this, I stopped translating Hindi to English. I started thinking English words. For example, if I saw phone, I thought a phone, not Hindi. I felt hungry. I said I am hungry. This small habit helped me a lot. My English now my English is not perfect, but I am confident. I can speak without fear. I can express my thought. I can talk to people. I make mistakes, but I don't stop. Now English is my friend, not my enemy. And the best part is I help other learn English. If I can do this, you can also do this. Important lesson I learned. There are some lessons from my journey. Mistakes are normal. Practice is more important than grammar. Simple English is powerful English. Confidence comes with speaking. Daily practice changes everything. Message for you: if you are watching this video, I want to say one thing to you. Don't wait for perfection. Don't wait for confidence. Start today. Start small. Speak 5 minutes daily. That is enough. English will come to you slowly. And my final word to and everybody: This is my journey, my English day 1, and now in this video motivated you. Please like it, subscribe to Learn with Ravi for daily English practice video. Comment below, I will speak English confidently. Thank you so much for watching me. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye and take care guys.